Hi, my name is Dr. Jasmine Wise, and I am the coordinator for the Gilma Jones Center at Northwestern State University. And we brought in Carlos to do his Restorative Power session. And what stood out to me the most was his ability to connect to not only students, but faculty and staff. We hosted this as a collaboration for our social work department, and it was amazing to hear from every angle how people felt connected to the message that Carlos gave. I spoke with students after the presentation, and they all were encouraged to have hard conversations. And I think for this generation, that is something that they lack. They lack wanting to have hard conversations. And Carlos, within an hour 15, was able to convince our students that they have a voice and that they should speak up for themselves. So I 110% recommend bringing Carlos to your university because this generation needs the engagement that he has. Another thing that stood out to me was how people became vulnerable so quick. I think having us write down the tough things and then sharing it helped to open up the room. So again, 110%, if you want to go deep and have your students stretch, bring in Carlos.